शंकर जी की जटा से निकले निर्मल गंगा पानी। कोई कहे तुझे गंगा माता, कोई कहे महारानी। शंकर जी की जटा से निकले निर्मल गंगा पानी। कोई कहे तुझे गंगा माता, कोई कहे महारानी, कोई कहे महारानी। तोहे निश्चय फूल चढ़ाए जो तेरी आरती गावे, वो सुख शांति पावे जो तेरी आरती गावे। जय जय गंगा माता जो तेरी आरती गावे, वो सुख शांति पावे जो तेरी आरती गावे। हर हर गंगे जय माँ गंगे, हर हर गंगे जय माँ गंगे, हर हर गंगे जय माँ गंगे, हर हर गंगे जय माँ गंगे। ओम जय गंगे माता, श्री जय गंगे माता। जो नर तुझको ध्याता, जो नर तुझको ध्याता, मन वांछित फल पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता, जय गंगे माता, श्री जय गंगे माता। जो नर तुझको ध्याता, जो नर तुझको ध्याता, मन वांछित फल पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता। चंद्र सी ज्योत तुम्हारी, जल निर्मल आता। मैया जल निर्मल आता। शरण पड़े जो तेरी, शरण पड़े जो तेरी, सोनर तर जाता। ओम जय गंगे माता। पुत्र सगर के तारे, सब जग को ज्ञाता। मैया सब जग को ज्ञाता। कृपा दृष्टि तुम्हारी, कृपा दृष्टि तुम्हारी, त्रिभुवन सुख दाता। ओम जय गंगे माता। एक ही बार जो तेरी शरणागति आता, मैया शरणागति आता। यम की जो जननी गाता, दास वही सहज में, दास वही सहज में मुक्ति को पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता, ओम जय गंगे माता, श्री जय गंगे माता। जो नर तुझको ध्याता, जो नर तुझको ध्याता, मन वांछित फल पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता, जय गंगे माता, श्री जय गंगे माता। जो नर तुझको ध्याता, जो नर तुझको ध्याता, मन वांछित फल पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता, ओम जय गंगे माता, ओम जय गंगे माता, ओम जय गंगे माता।
ओम श्री सद्गुरु परमात्मने नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु परमात्मने नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु भगवान शिवानंदाय नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु भगवान शिवानंदाय नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः। गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्ति, पूजामूलं गुरोर्पदम्, मंत्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यम्, मोक्षमूलं गुरोर्कृपा। मोक्षमूलं शिवानन्दाकृपा। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं, द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम्। एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं, भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। यस्यान्तर्नादिमध्यं न हि करचरणं, नाम गोत्रं न सूत्रं, नो जातिर्नैव वर्णं, न भवति पुरुषो नो नपुंसं न च स्त्री। नाकारं नो विकारं, न हि जननं मरणं, नास्ति पुण्यं न पापं, नो तत्त्वं तत्त्वमेकं सहज समरसं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। चैतन्यं शाश्वतं शान्तं व्योमातीतं निरञ्जनं, नादबिन्दुकलातीतं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानमूलहरणं जन्मकर्मनिवारणं, ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यार्थं गुरोपादोदकं पिबेत्। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं, तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्तये, विश्वपञ्चाय शान्ताय निरालम्बाय तेजसे, नित्यशुभं निराभासं निराकारं निरञ्जनं, नित्यबोधं चिदानन्दं गुरुब्रह्मा नमाम्यहम्। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने, व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। निधये सर्वविद्यानां विषजे भवरोगिणां, गुरवे सर्वलोकानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये दक्षिणामूर्ते नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरुदेव की जय।
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश
पाहि मां। श्री गणेश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश रक्ष मां। जय सरस्वती जय सरस्वती जय सरस्वती पाहि मां। श्री सरस्वती श्री सरस्वती श्री सरस्वती रक्ष मां। जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा पाहि मां। जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा रक्ष मां। जय श्री काली जय श्री काली जय श्री काली पाहि मां। जय श्री काली जय श्री काली जय श्री काली रक्ष मां। जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी पाहि मां। जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी रक्ष मां।
सरवण भव सरवण भव
सरवण भव पाहि मां। सुब्रह्मण्य 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 रक्ष मां। दत्तात्रेय 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 पाहि मां। दत्त गुरु रक्ष मां। शिवानंद 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 पाहि मां। शिवानंद 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 रक्ष मां। जय गुरु शिव गुरु हरि गुरु राम। जगत गुरु परम गुरु सद्गुरु श्याम। आदि गुरु अद्वैत गुरु आनंद गुरु ओम। चित गुरु चिन्मय गुरु चिन्मया गुरु ओम। जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम। जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम। जय राधे श्याम जय जय राधे श्याम। जय राधे श्याम जय जय राधे श्याम। जय हनुमान जय जय हनुमान। जय हनुमान जय जय हनुमान। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। शिवानंदा शिवानंदा सद्गुरुनाथा। शिवानंदा 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 सद्गुरुनाथा। शिवानंदा 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 सद्गुरुनाथा। शिवानंदा। जय गुरुदेव दयानिधि दीन हितकारी। जय जय मोह विनाशक भवबंधनहारी। जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव। ब्रह्मा विष्णु सदा शिव गुरु मूर्तिधारी। वेद पुराण बखानत गुरु महिमा भारी। जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव। जप तप तीरथ संयम दान विरत दीने। गुरु बिन ज्ञान न होवे बोधि जतन कीने। जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव। माया मोहन दी जल जीव बहे सारी। काम क्रोध मद मत्सर चोर बड़े भारी, ज्ञान खड्ग ने कर में गुरु सब संहारे। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। नाना पंथ जगत में निज निज गुण गावे, सबका सार बताकर गुरु मार्ग लावे। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। गुरु चरणामृत निर्मल सब बाधक हारी, वचन सुनत तम नाशे सब संशय तारी। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। तन मन धन सब अर्पण गुरु चरणन की जय। शिवानंद परम पद मोक्ष गति लीजे। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। ओम जय गुरुदेव दयानिधि दीन हितकारी। जय जय मोह विनाशक भवबंधनहारी। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव।
O adorable Lord of mercy and love, salutations and prostrations unto thee. Thou art omnipresent, omnipotent and omniscient. Thou art Sachidananda. Thou art the indweller of all beings. Grant us an understanding heart, equal vision, balanced mind, faith, devotion and wisdom. Grant us inner spiritual strength to resist temptations and to control the mind. Free us from egoism, lust, greed, anger and hatred. Fill our hearts with divine virtues. Let us behold Thee in all these names and forms. Let us serve Thee in all these names and forms. Let us ever remember Thee. Let us be ever loyal to Thee. Let us ever sing Thy glories. Let Thy name be ever on our lips. Let us abide in Thee forever and ever. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. O all-merciful Gurudev, every thought of my mind, every emotion of my heart, every movement of my being, every feeling and every sensation, each cell of my body, each drop of my blood, all is yours, Gurudev, yours absolutely, yours without any reserve. Gurudev, you can decide my life or my death, my happiness or my sorrow, my pleasure or my pain. Gurudev, whatever you do with me, whatever comes to me from you, will lead me to your lotus feet. Gurudev, you have provided us with the best facilities in the world for our spiritual growth. May we take full advantage of this precious gift of yours, Gurudev. May we look upon the ashram and all its contents as your body and treat them with love and reverence. This is our heartfelt prayer to you, Gurudev. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Deva Sivananda Dinabandhu Pahi Maam. Deva Deva Sivananda Dinabandhu Pahi Maam. Chandravadana Mandahasa Premarupa Rakshama. Chandravadana Mandahasa रक्षमा मधुरगीता गानलोला ज्ञानरूपा पाहि माम् मधुरगीता गानलोला ज्ञानरूपा पाहि माम् समस्त लोका पूजिताय मोहनंगा रक्षमा समस्त लोका पूजिताय मोहनंगा रक्षमा दिव्य गंगा तीरवासा दानशीला पाहि माम् दिव्य गंगा तीरवासा दानशीला पाहि माम् पापहरण पुण्यशीला परम पुरुषा रक्षमा पापहरण पुण्यशीला परम पुरुषा रक्षमा भक्तयोगा हृदयवासा स्वामीनाथ पाहि माम् भक्तयोगा हृदयवासा स्वामीनाथ पाहि माम् चित्स्वरूपा चिदानन्दा नमः शिवाय रक्षमा चित्स्वरूपा चिदानन्दा नमः शिवाय रक्षमा शिवानन्दा 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 पाहि माम् शिवानन्दा 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 पाहि माम् शिवानन्दा 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 रक्षमा शिवानन्दा 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 रक्षमा सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय पाहि माम् सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय पाहि माम् सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय रक्षमा सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय रक्षमा गंगारानी 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 पाहि माम् गंगारानी 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 पाहि माम् भागीरथी 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 रक्षमा भागीरथी 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 रक्षमा देवा देवा शिवानन्दा दीनबन्धो पाहि माम् देवा देवा शिवानन्दा दीनबन्धो पाहि माम् चन्द्रवदन मन्दहास प्रेमरूपा रक्षमा चन्द्रवदन मन्दहास प्रेमरूपा रक्षमा
श्री राम जय जय राम
श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम ओ श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम ओ श्री राम जय राम
शिरमुकुट
ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, सबको गले से लगा के चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। जिसका न कोई संगी साथी, ईश्वर है रखवाला, जिसका न कोई संगी साथी, ईश्वर है रखवाला, जो निर्धन है जो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा, जो निर्धन है जो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा, प्यार का मोती प्यार का मोती लुटाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। आशा रूठी ममता रूठी, छूट गया है किनारा, आशा रूठी ममता रूठी, छूट गया है किनारा, बंद करो मत द्वार दया का, दे दो मुझको सहारा, बंद करो मत द्वार दया का, दे दो मुझको सहारा, दीप दया का दीप दया का जलाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। रामा 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 affections are pure and selfless. He whose speech is comforting and soft. He whose looks are godlike and soothing. To him I make my salutation. Rama, 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 Sita. Rama, 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 Rama. तुलसी सार सुदास रामा तुलसी सार सुदास राम नाम पर भरण जुग सावन भादव मास रामा सावन भादव मास सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम। राम नाम मन दीप धरो जी हरे हरि द्वार रामा जी हरे हरि द्वार तुलसी भीतर बाहर हो जो चाह सूझियार रामा जो चाह सूझियार सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरणम शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम। सकल कामना हीन जय राम भगत रसलीन रामा राम भगत रसलीन नाम सुप्रेम पीयूष हृद तिन्हु किय मन मीन रामा तिन्हु किय मन मीन सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम। ब्रह्म राम के नाम भर वरदायक वरदान रामा वरदायक वरदान रामचरित सतकोट महल प्रिय महेश जिय जान रामा प्रिय महेश जिय जान सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम। राम राम को कल्पतरु कलि कल्याण निवास रामा कलि कल्याण निवास जो सुमिरत भय भांगते तुलसी तुलसी दास रामा तुलसी तुलसी दास सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम। राम नाम नर केसरी कनक कसिपु कलिकाल रामा कनक कसिपु कलिकाल चापक जन प्रहलाद जी पालहि दल सुरसाल रामा पालहि दल सुरसाल सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम। राम अनंत अनंत गुण अमित कथा विस्तार रामा अमित कथा विस्तार सूर्या जल जुड़वा नहीं जिनके विमल विचार रामा जिनके विमल विचार सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम। राम कथा सुर धेनु सम सेवक सब सुखदान रामा सेवक सब सुखदान सत समाज सुर लोक सब कौन सुने अस जान रामा कौन सुने अस जान सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय
Om Namo Bhagavate Sivanandaya. On behalf of our Divine Master, Sri Swami Sivananda and Puja Swami Sahajananda, we extend a warm and cordial welcome to all to this, the 13th Mahasamadhi Anniversary Satsang of our beloved Puja Swami Sahajananda. We also extend a special welcome to donors, well-wishers, devotees tuning in for the first time, and devotees from abroad. We read from Guru Bhakti Yoga by Sri Swami Sivananda. Only the Guru can show the divine light to his worthy disciples. Guru takes his disciple from the unreal to the real, from mortality to immortality, from darkness to light, from materialism to spirituality. A real Guru can change the destiny of the disciple. Guru's grace alone will enable one to understand the true purpose of life and to have a burning desire to realize God. The Sadguru is a prophet and messenger of God. He is a cosmic friend and benefactor of the world. He is a guiding star to suffering mankind. Read a special message on the occasion of beloved Puja Swami Sahajananda's 13th Mahasamadhi anniversary. It is 13 years since Puja Swamiji shed his mortal coil. Though he has physically left us, his invisible spiritual presence can still be felt even now. His grace and energy manifests in abundance in all spheres of the Society's work. What message can we take away after 13 years? It is this. In his handwritten letter to Puja Swamiji, dated 12th February 1960, the Master gave the assurance about the work of the Divine Life Society of South Africa. God will look after the divine work. Lord will look after everything. All must adapt, adjust, and accommodate, cooperate, collaborate, and coordinate. Cooperation means 50-50, giving out and taking advice. This is the message, something to aspire for in our run-up to the centenary. As you know, in 2024, we will celebrate the 100th anniversary of Gurudev Sri Swami Sivananda's Sannyas Diksha, and in 2025 we will celebrate the birth centenary of Puja Swami Sahajananda. Puja Swamiji, in one of the pre-recorded messages, exhorted us not to have any fear. Feel that the whole universe is pervaded by God, then you will have no fear. This is the Vedantic truth. If a person comes to attack you, feel that Gurudev is coming in that form. The secret is to see God in all names and forms. It will relieve us of all our problems in life. From 1949 until Puja Swamiji's passing in 2007, Puja Swamiji worked tirelessly and selflessly promoting the Master's mission in this country, 7 days a week with very little respite. Over the years, the Society's state-of-the-art printing presses, expertly supervised by Puja Swamiji, produced thousands of high-class illustrated books and disseminated the universal teachings of Sri Swami Sivananda worldwide. Even now, the printing press continues to churn out large volumes of spiritual literature, which is transforming the hearts of thousands. The Divine Master's teachings are highly practical in their application. They are also very simple, broad, and universal in their approach, so they readily appeal to people of all religious faiths. But the most unique feature of his works is that they are charged with a rare spiritual power. He himself once stated that Mother Saraswati, the goddess of learning, glitters through his writings. 16th of December 2007, at Puja Swamiji's memorial service at the Sivananda International Cultural Center at La Mercy, Swami Saddha Prabhananda of the Ramakrishna Center of South Africa said, I first met revered Swamiji in 1974. It was a public function held in the center of Durban, in which there were a number of other sannyasins, spiritual leaders and spiritual aspirants. I was quite young at that time, but I could immediately discern that he was a cut above the others. The figure that he had, the spiritual aura that emanated from him, and though he did not speak on that day, his eloquent silence left a deep impression on me, and I felt that in South Africa we are truly blessed to have such a lamp of illumination in our midst. He was a guru, he was a friend, he was an institution builder, and he was a man of God. And such people need certain intrinsic qualities to build up their lives, to live by those qualities. And if we look at our beloved Swamiji's life, his whole life was based on Guru Bhakti Yoga. Said Father Michelson of the Catholic Church on 10 December 2007, I met Swami about 25 years ago. It is very hard to put into words this kind of relationship. In fact, I've never fully understood it myself, but it seemed to me like two pilgrims walking together, breathing one breath of divine life and divine love. We seemed to walk together with not much said between us, and yet I repeat, breathing together one breath of divine life and divine love. I could not understand this relationship. It seems as if it began in the timeless ages, before time, and we seem to share a common thirst to live poorly and be of service to the poor people. We both had a profound respect and love for each other, and it is through Swami that I met and read the writings of Swami Sivananda. But he touched me deeply. Swami Sivananda in his universal spirit, but also in his remarkable writings about the Master to whom I have given my life, Lord Jesus. One of the profoundest writings in the succinct way that I've ever read was by Swami Sivananda on Lord Jesus. I think we share the common love for Swami Sivananda and service of the poor, but also the respect and love and submission to Lord Jesus. We, the younger generation, were not as fortunate to have been in the presence of such a great Swami as Swami Sahajananda, but we will always remember him and be grateful to him for following Gurudev's instructions by providing us with the best facilities in the world for our spiritual growth. We will not forget Swamiji, and we will ensure that his legacy and his work continue for generations to come. These are the words of the spiritual darlings of the Sivananda Sunday School of Reservoir Hills at Puja Swami Sahajananda's 8th Mahasamadhi anniversary. On his 61st birthday celebrations on the 10th of July 1986, Puja Swamiji said, "So whatever Gurudev has belongs to us all naturally. You don't have to ask him for it. All his tapas we are enjoying now. All his God realization, his wisdom, we get through his books. Whatever Gurudev has earned, whatever he has got, it comes to us naturally. But we have to make ourselves worthy of that grace, and that grace can work marvels. All you have to do is to do your duty, whatever it is. If you are the wife, then you must do your duty faithfully. If you are a husband, you must do your duty faithfully. If you are a student, you must do that. If you are in an ashram, then you must do your duty faithfully too. Then you see if the results are not going to come." We must remember also that our past karma has to work out. Our past karma is a stumbling block in our way, because of our past samskaras will force us to do what we do not want to do. If we adhere to our duty, then marvelous things can come to us. When it will come, how it will come, in whatever manner it will come, in what proportion it will come, we cannot say. But it's the safest and easiest path, because it's the path of trust, it's the path of confidence, it's the path of childlike awareness and constant trust in the Master who dwells within our hearts. Let us all therefore strive to be worthy of this grace that will transform us. In so doing, we will then be able to render greater service to the betterment of the world. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Divine personality, and you surrender to the infinite being at the same time. So you surrender to the Guru and then you surrender to the infinite being. So it's a very effective kind of surrender. Surrender is the main part of the yoga, but the surrender is bound to be progressive. See, a complete surrender is not possible in the beginning, but only a will in the being for that completeness. In fact, it takes time, yet it is only when the surrender is complete that the full flood of sadhana is possible. Essence of surrender is to accept wholeheartedly the influence and guidance when the joy and peace come down, to accept them without question or cavil and let them grow. The core of inner surrender is trust and confidence in the divine. That is, trust and confidence in Gurudev. That is the attitude into which one must grow. For certainly it cannot be made perfect at once. But if one keeps the will to it, it will grow in the being. Self-giving or surrender is demanded because without such a progressive surrender of the being, it is quite impossible to get anywhere near the goal. All can be done by the divine. See, the reason why self-surrender is so effective, it is superior to all the other yogas. That is my opinion. Because in all the other yogas, you have to make an effort. See, whether it's Raj Yoga or Bhakti, even in Bhakti Yoga. And in Jnana Yoga, you have to make the effort. But whereas what I may call the yoga of self-surrender, the divine does everything for you. All that you got to do is to surrender. See? And the divine will do your sadhana. Then the divine Shakti works, and you can feel the divine Shakti working in you and doing all that is necessary to be done. And then your yoga becomes quite safe. See, otherwise it is not always so safe. We came across one recently, see, who was having the Kundalini Shakti awakening, but if there is no surrender, then it can bring disturbance in the mind. I think that's what's happening. So surrender is a very important aspect. The heart and nature can be purified, the inner consciousness awakened, and the veils removed. If one gives oneself to the divine with trust and confidence, and even if one cannot do so fully at once, yet the more one does so, the more the inner help and guidance comes, and the experience of the divine grows within. If the questioning mind becomes less active and humility and the will to surrender grow, this ought to be perfectly possible. And look what he said, no other strength or tapasya are then needed, but this alone. See, that means self-surrender is the greatest tapasya. That means that no other tapasya, no other strength and tapasya are then needed, but this alone. See, it's greater than willpower and everything. But you have to find, each one has to find out within oneself how to effect it within. He says, if part of the being surrenders, but another part reserves itself, follows its own way or makes its own conditions, then each time that happens, you yourself are pushing the divine grace away from you. See? That means it must seize every part of your being. We must surrender everything, but suppose we lose something materially, then one part of the being resists it. We might surrender. If you lose something, then you might not care. But if you get sick and then we rebel, and that part of you, the being, does not surrender. See, and the divine is not able to work. If behind your devotion and surrender you make a cover for your desires, egoistic demands, and vital insistences, if you put these things in place of the true aspiration, or mix them with it and try to impose them on the divine Shakti, then it is idle to invoke the divine grace to transform you. So certain conditions are necessary. It means your cooperation. If you open yourself on one side or in one part to the truth, and on another side are constantly opening the gates to hostile forces, it is vain to expect that the divine grace will abide with you. You must keep the temple clean if you wish to install there the living presence. So it means that certain amount of effort has to be made by ourselves. Let me give you an analogy. There was a person addicted to drink, and he gave up that habit, but unfortunately he had to pass a liquor shop every day. See? So when he came to the liquor shop, he used to run. That was his cooperation with God. See? So suppose God gave you the strength to give up liquor, and then you linger by the liquor shop, then the divine grace is not going to act. You can't linger by the liquor shop and say, well, divine grace must help you not to be tempted. See? So you should try to understand. So we should not give a loophole. See, if we have a certain weakness, then we must keep away from it, and the divine grace will work. But if we open ourselves, then it's not going to be easy. If each time the power intervenes and brings in the truth, you turn your back on it and call it again, and call in again the falsehood that has been expelled, it is not the divine grace that you must blame for failing you, but the falsity of your own will and the imperfection of your own surrender. See? If you call for the truth and yet something in you chooses what is false, ignorant and undivine, or even simply is unwilling to reject it altogether, then always you will be open to attack and the divine grace will recede from you. See? So I say that certain amount of effort must be made to resist. Suppose you're following a certain, and then you're tempted, and then you read things or see on the TV things that are not good for you, then the divine grace is not going to act. See? Many times I get journals, and often I see things that are not good for the mind, so I write to them not to send the journal. There might be everything, 99% might be good, but if there's 1% that is not to my taste, and I say, I don't want that, they must not send it to me anymore. See? So we have to cooperate with God, see, if we want to get over it. So that is why we've got to make sure that keep away from as much as possible from TV and keep away as much as possible from bad literature. Detect first what is false or obscure in you and persistently reject it. Then alone can you rightly call for the divine power to transform you. Do not imagine that truth and falsehood, light and darkness, surrender and selfishness can be allowed to dwell in the house consecrated to the divine. The change must be integral. Integral, therefore, the rejection of all that withstand it. Reject the false notion that the divine power will do and is bound to do everything for you at your command, and even though you do not satisfy the conditions laid down by the Supreme. Make your surrender true and complete, then only will all else be done for you. Reject too the false and indolent expectation that the divine power will do even a surrender for you. The Supreme demands your surrender to her, but does not impose it. See? You are free at every moment till the irrevocable transformation comes to deny and reject the divine or recall your self-giving, if you are willing to suffer the spiritual consequence. Your surrender must be self-made and free. It must be the surrender of a living being, not of an inert automation or mechanical tool. So I've given you all the essence of surrender. Now to get down to business.
முத்தினரே அறியாத மூர்க்கருடு முயல்வேலி, முத்தினரே அறியாத மூர்க்கருடு முயல்வேலி, பத்தினரே அறிவித்த பழவினிகள் பார்முகம், பத்தினரே அறிவித்த பழவினிகள்
அறிவிற்கு சிவமாகி இணையாத சித்தமலும் அறிவிற்கு சிவமாகி இணையாத அத்தஞன கருளியவாறு ஆழ்வாரற்றோரே அத்தஞனுக்கு அருளியவாறு ஆழ்வாரற்றோரே செம்மினலும் அறியாத சிதறொடும் திரிவேலே செம்மினலும் அறியாத சிதறொடும் திரிவேலே உம்மை மலம் அறிவித்த முதலாய முதல்வந்தார் நம்மையும் பொருளாகி நாழ்கிவிதே ஏற்றுவித்த அம்மையன கருணையவாறு ஆழ்பெருவரற்றோரே அம்மையன கருணையவாறு ஆழ்பெருவரற்றோரே அம்மையன கருணையவாறு
तुझे मन ढूंढ रहा है, तुझे मन ढूंढ रहा है। ओ शंकर प्यारे तुझे मन ढूंढ रहा है, तुझे मन ढूंढ रहा है। कितना तू बता दे कहाँ तू जाके छुपा है। ओ शंकर प्यारे तुझे मन ढूंढ रहा है, तुझे मन ढूंढ रहा है। मन की सुनाओ मन मंदिर में भगवान मैं तुझको बिठाऊं, मैं तुझको बिठाऊं। दुखियों के सहारे तुझे मन ढूंढ रहा है। ओ शंकर प्यारी तुझे मन ढूंढ रहा है, तुझे मन ढूंढ रहा है। गया दिल में तिहारो, अब दर्शन दिखाओ हमें ना रुलाओ, हमें ना रुलाओ। राजेश पुकारे तुझे मन ढूंढ रहा है, ओ शंकर प्यारे तुझे मन ढूंढ रहा है, तुझे मन ढूंढ रहा है। इतना तू बता दे कहाँ तू जाके छुपा है, ओ शंकर प्यारे तुझे मन ढूंढ रहा है, 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 तुझे मन ढूंढ रहा है। भगवन् शिवानंद सद्गुरुदेवा, शिवानंद सद्गुरुनाथा, शिवानंद सद्गुरुदेवा, शिवानंद राजा। भगवन् शिवानंद सद्गुरुदेवा, शिवानंद सद्गुरुनाथा, शिवानंद सद्गुरुदेवा, शिवानंद राजा। भगवन् शिवानंद सद्गुरुदेवा, गुरुदेवा गुरुदेवा। 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 भगवन् शिवानंद सद्गुरुदेवा।
धन्नंजलि सुत तंदन मेरे हनुमान। राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने काम, राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने काम। धन्नन पावन सुत धन्नंजलि सुत धन्नन पावन सुत धन्नंजलि सुत धन्नन मेरे हनुमान। राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने काम, राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने काम। पंकमपुर ले जाकर प्रभु को सुग्रीव से मिलन कराया। पंकमपुर ले जाकर प्रभु को सुग्रीव से मिलन कराया। अग्नि को साक्षी देकर फिर प्रेम सुध मंगवाया। अग्नि को साक्षी देकर फिर प्रेम सुध मंगवाया। आज्ञा पाकर श्री राम की आज्ञा पाकर श्री राम की लंका पहुँचे हनुमान। राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने काम, राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने काम। तीन रूप में देख मात को दुख हुआ अति भारी। तीन रूप में देख मात को दुख हुआ अति भारी। पेटे वाटिका में फिर मनु ने कत कहे थे सारे। पेटे वाटिका में फिर मनु ने कत कहे थे सारे। राम सेवक की जनक सुता से, राम सेवक की जनक सुता से अंगूठी से हुई पहचान। राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने काम, राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने काम। हे धन्धन पावन सुत धन्नंजलि सुत धन्धन पावन सुत धन्नंजलि सुत धन्धन मेरे हनुमान। राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने काम, राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने काम। किया प्रवेश जब लंका में तब हुआ कोहलबारी। किया प्रवेश जब लंका में तब हुआ कोहलबारी। पल भर में फिर हनुमान ने सुन के लंका जारी। पल भर में फिर हनुमान ने सुन के लंका जारी। राम कृपा से रामदूत ने, राम कृपा से रामदूत ने पूरे किए सब काम। राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने काम, राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने काम। मेघनाथ ने लखन लाल को प्रमोशन की वारी। मेघनाथ ने लखन लाल को ब्रह्मशक्ति थी मारी। पूजना कर स्वामी भक्त की अद्भुत बात सवारी। पूजना कर स्वामी भक्त की अद्भुत सवरे तूने कर, राम जी की बिगड़ी सवरे तूने कर। हे धन पवन सुत धनंजलि सुत धन पवन सुत धनंजलि सुत धन मेरे हनुमान, राम जी के बिगड़ी सवरे तूने कर, राम जी के बिगड़ी सवरे तूने कर। विजय प्राप्त कर फिर लंका से सीता माता को लाई, विजय प्राप्त कर फिर लंका से सीता माता को लाई। अब राम के आने का फिर समाचार पहुँचाए, अब राम के आने का फिर समाचार पहुँचाए। जब दिया क्या स्वामी ने, जब दिया क्या स्वामी ने, तुरंत पहुँचे हनुमान, राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने कर, राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने कर। हे दंदन पावन सुत धनंजलि सुत दंदन पावन सुत धनंजलि सुत दंदन मेरे हनुमान, राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने कर, राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने कर, राम जी के बिगड़े सवरे तूने कर।
The following are our announcements. We invite devotees and the public to join our online home satsangs via the links on our website. Pujya Swamiji's 13th Mahasamadhi anniversary according to the Sanskrit calendar will be observed on Tuesday, 15th December 2020. Online Ganga Aarti is at 5:30 p.m. followed by satsang. In view of the increase in the infection rate in the coronavirus pandemic in our country and the second wave that the world is facing, as well as for the good health of all, world peace, protection, safety during the festive period, and as a countermeasure to the hostile forces as we usher in the new year, the Society launched the 41-day recital of the Sri Hanuman Chalisa 11 times daily from Tuesday, 8th December 2020 until Sunday, 17th January 2021. Devotees are encouraged to participate in this sadhana and may do the daily recital at their convenience at home. Whilst lockdown regulations have been lowered due to economic and other reasons, our ashrams and branches remain closed until further notice due to the surge in the coronavirus numbers. Devotees and the public are encouraged to tune in to our online programs in the meantime. Devotees and visitors are respectfully informed that visits to any of our ashrams or branches must be authorized by the Board of Management, as the risk of infection is still prevalent. The Society will be distributing 2,000 grocery hampers to needy families during the auspicious Mahasamadhi period of our beloved Pujya Swami Sahajananda and during the festive season. Contributions towards the hampers may be made via our fundraisers or via EFT. We offer special prayers for all those who are ill, the departed, our frontline workers, and for world peace. We remind all devotees to follow the rules for lockdown and to take extra care of the elderly and the very young, and to keep safe. Pujya Swamiji has given elaborate descriptions in our books of the value of the Mahamrityunjaya Mantra, Agnihotra, and Sri Hanuman Chalisa. Devotees are urged to continue with these practices regularly for their own safety and protection. Agnihotra will also help to bring rain. As per Pujya Swamiji's advice, the Mahamrityunjaya Mantra should be repeated all the time while driving. If we cannot repeat the mantra all the time, then repeat it as often as possible. It will help to prevent accidents, robberies, hijackings, and other calamities. We wish all devotees a restful, enjoyable, and safe festive period, and urge all to intensify their sadhana for world peace, protection, and safety for all. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. 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 Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardanam Urvarukamiv Vandanan Mrityorumukshyamamritat. 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 ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षयमामृतात् 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 ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षयमामृतात्
श्री सद्गुरुदेव की जय।
जय जय आरती अंजनेया अंजनेया हनुमंता जय जय आरती दत्तात्रेय दत्तात्रेय त्रिमूर्ति अवतारा जय जय आरती सद्गुरुनादा सद्गुरुनादा भगवान शिवानंदा सद्गुरुनादा भगवान विश्वानंदा जय जय आरती विघ्न विनायक ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु सर्वेषां शान्ति भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति 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 श्री सद्गुरु भगवान की जय।